Concatenate is a fancy word for combining information into a single cell. For example, you can use concatenate to combine first and last names. Click the cell where you want to combine the information, and click the Formulas tab. Click the Text Function button, and select Concatenate. Now all you have to do is specify what you want to join together. Select the first name in cell A2. Next, we need to add a space between the first and last name. Add the space by typing a quotation, a space, and another quotation mark. Finally, we need to add the last name. So select the last name in cell B2. We finished combining everything, so click OK. Our new formula combines first and last names. To fill in the rest of the column, double-click the fill handle. All of the first and last names are combined into one cell.